Hi guys, Bird here, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am at IKEA, and word on the street is that IKEA now sells pre-cut fabric. Let's head in and take a look around. So I also wanted to share with you guys because I've had a lot of people ask me questions about this storage unit that's in my sewing room. It came from IKEA. I love the glass front. I love the drawers. I'm not going to say how easy it was to put it together. I don't think it was really hard to put it together, but my husband actually put it together for me. And I have three of these in my sewing room. They each run about $170 each. And I'm telling you guys, I put my patterns in here. I can organize them pretty well and put a bunch of other things here to keep me well organized. And I also have some um, organizers that I put on top that hopefully I'll be able to find those while I'm here, and I'll share those with you as well. So here is another option, and this one has 4 drawers instead of 3. So gives you additional storage. This one is in like a black or chocolate brown, but honestly, I feel like I'm pretty sure that they would have this also in white. So if you have the space and you want one that's a little bit taller, they do have the 4 drawer option. And as I continue to walk through, I did find the white 4 drawer option and the 3 drawer option. And again, this is the name if you're looking for it. I've had these for a while and I really, really do love them. They're very durable and versatile. So here are some other options if you're in IKEA and you're looking for fabric options. These are really, really cute. So it's 100% cotton and very unique patterns, very unique. Easily, this could be a dress, a bomber, anything that you wanted. You could make kids' clothes. So, really good options here as well. So, these are cute too. I'm loving that green and white. All right. Okay, IKEA. And then going over, so there's more here. Now remember, I'm in the bed sheet section, so I haven't even made my way or found the pre-cut fabric, but I'm just showing you that there are other options in IKEA to make different things depending upon what you are looking for. That's a full queen, so pretty decent amount of fabric. So you can see the various options, from very muted to nice, big, bold colors. Lots of earth tones. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Love the yellow in that. All right, so I'm still on the hunt for pre-cut fabric. All right, guys, so I finally found the section in IKEA, the pre-cut fabric section, and it is not large. It is not large. I do hope that IKEA is listening to customers because this could be an opportunity for them to jump out and do even more. So let's get a closer look. All right, so let's take a peek. Of course, the colors speak to me on this. And you're getting, it's 59 inches wide. So that's a pretty wide cut, 118 inches. So you're going to get about 3 yards of fabric. And it's really pretty. This is called a Design Eva Lund Green. And let's see, they're asking for that particular one. I think they're asking $14.99 for what you basically would get as 3 yards. That is not a bad price at all. There are not a ton of different options. Now, you guys know I love the royal blue and white. I do think this one is going home with me. That one is going home with me. But they have some other really pretty colors. I think the price is really great, really competitive. And I haven't used it before, so obviously I am getting that blue and white. And I'm going to give it a wash, see how much we're looking at in the way of shrinkage, and I'll be able to give you a better idea. So I think these are some new pieces that they have as well. Well, that one is down there, so that's not new, but these are some of the other options that they have available. I am in the White Marsh area in Maryland, so there may be some things that you can get online that may not necessarily be available here. So again, it isn't a ton, but there are definitely some options. And like I said, that blue and white is calling to me, and it is definitely going home with me. So I mentioned earlier about the 3 or 4 drawer um, kind of Chester set where I like to store my patterns. On top of those drawers, I actually keep a couple of these. So these are like $18 and few extra dollars if you buy the lid. They're very deep, and I love having additional items to be able to store things. And you can get different sizes. That might actually be bigger than what I have. I'm looking to see if they have. Okay, so this one I think is more the size that I have on top of my storage unit at home, and these are only um, I don't know if it's $4 or $10. They have two prices on them. That's it. Okay, the lid is 4 and the unit is actually the box is actually 10.99. And I have a couple of these that I keep on top of my dresser, and it keeps actually I have 4 on top. And it gives me just additional storage, and you can put a little label here so you know exactly what's there, like zippers and things like that. And they have also different sizes. So if you're looking for other ways to kind of clean up your space, and these are stackable, which is one of the things that I love about them as well. Okay, let's move on. So I also really love these. I'm going to call them pegboards because I don't know what it is, a pegboard, but they have a different name. And so that size is about $30. I have a couple of these on my wall in white, and I actually use it to put up my patterns that I'm actually working on, projects. And you can get different types of storage pieces. Like I love these little bungee cords to kind of help tie down papers, and the little clips if I want to put up my sewing, my measuring tape and things like that. The hooks are very, very handy. I may actually pick up a couple sets of the hooks while I am here today. Those are very handy as well. So another way to kind of organize things. So if you can see up there, really great way to kind of organize things. Now, I don't use it for thread. I use something else for thread, but these are very helpful for me, just keeping everything neat and organized. Now, I don't have any of these in my space, but I just wanted to share with you that there are some different mirror options. And, in a sewing room, we absolutely need mirrors to be able to try on the different things that we're working on. So something to think about here as well. And then finally, guys, any visit to IKEA includes a moment to stop in their kind of dent section just to kind of see what they have that might be deeply discounted. So I wanted to swing by and take a little look around. Thank you guys for shopping with me today at IKEA. So you see what is available as it relates to pre-cut fabric and the like. I appreciate you guys watching. If you're new to me, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you've been with me and rocking with me for a while, I appreciate you guys so much. Before I let you go, there's even some pieces here that I think might be kind of neat as well. This is a duvet cover, but you can certainly repurpose that fabric into other things. So there are even things here in the dent section. So don't overlook this section. There may be some things that you can work with. So thank you guys for rocking with me and for watching this. Appreciate you guys. Bye-bye for now.